Hi, this is 4.5 supplement where I'm going to explain question 8 and question 9. Now I noticed I did question 8, just one of them, you know how there are different variations. And I got it correct and it marked it wrong. So then I tried another one and I got it correct and it marked it correct. So I think there's something wrong in that particular one. So if you have that particular question, please let me know. So I'm working with this one, and this one worked out fine. So let's do this one together. Now, when we see A and B, those are not variables. Those are constants. So we'll just treat them like numbers. So to start off, let's do the integral of x cubed, and we're going to change this to ax to the fourth minus b to the 1/2 power dx. Okay, so we're going to do this by substitution where we take the inside and we say let u. So I'm going to say let u equal ax to the fourth minus b. Then if we take the derivative, so I'm going to say du dx, I'm going to take the derivative of this, and since that is treated like a number, we would leave it the same, bring down the 4, and then minus 1. Oops, that should say x. So that says 8 times 4 times x cubed. And the derivative of a constant b is just 0. Okay, so now we just want to get du by itself. So we multiply both sides by dx, and we get du equals 4ax cubed dx. Because we multiplied this by dx and they canceled, and we multiplied this dx, and that's where it is. Okay, so we want to rewrite this now using du. Now du stands for all of this. So we have the dx, we have the x cubed, but right here we've got this 4 and this a. We don't see a 4a out here, right? So we're going to have to multiply it by the reciprocal to get rid of that 4a. So if we multiply du by 1 over 4a and we do this over here, that'll get rid of it. Okay, so now what do we have? We have our du, which is our x cubed dx. There's our x cubed dx. We have our 4a, which we don't want, so we're going to multiply by its reciprocal. And then we said that u is all of this inside, so we're going to say u to 1/2. Now we go ahead and integrate. We're going to keep the 1/4 there, 1/4 over a. We integrate, we add 1 to the u, and we get u to the 3/2. Multiply by the reciprocal, 2/3. And add plus c. So now we have this 2 and this 4, so that becomes 1 over 2 times 3, u to the 3/2 plus c. 1 over 2a times 3 is 1 over 6a. Now we're going to substitute our u. We said u was ax to the fourth minus b to the 3/2 plus c. And that's the answer for number 8. Okay, so let's go on to number 9 now. Okay, number 9. What we see here is I'm going to let u equal this right down here. So u equals 4 minus x cubed. All right. So what's the derivative of that? Du dx equals the derivative of 4 is 0. We keep the negative. We have negative 3x squared. Okay. Now we need to get du by itself, so we multiply both sides by dx, and we have du equals negative 3x squared dx. Okay, so now we look and we say we're going to make this an integral with du. Our dx let's see, du is all of this. Okay, we've got our dx right here. We have our x squared, but we have this negative 3. We don't want that negative 3, so we're going to multiply by 1 over negative 3. Okay, and now we said that u was in here, so we have 1 over u to the 6th. Okay, so in order to integrate this, we're going to change this. I'm going to go up here, see if you can see here. 1/3 integrate u to the negative 6 du. Okay, so we're going to integrate this. I'm going to erase this over here. Integrating this, we're going to add 1, so we have u to the negative 5 over 1 over negative 5. And we're going to multiply it by this 1 over negative 3 plus c. Negative 3, negative 5 is 1 over 15. U, we have to substitute back what u is, 4 minus x cubed to the negative 5 plus c. So that is our answer for number 9. So your problems will be similar to these. All right, hope that helped.